how to create a custom menu in Google Sheets that not only calculates turnaround time, TAT, between start and end dates, but also lets you generate a filtered TAT report between any two dates. Super useful in logistics and delivery tracking. First, let's set up a simple spreadsheet. We'll create columns for order ID, start date, end date, and turnaround time. Something like this. Now, we'll build a script that calculates turnaround time and lets you filter this data into a report. Let's go to Extensions, App Script. Replace any existing code with this. The code is available at resource section below. Copy the code and you can use it. Now click the floppy disk icon, or press Ctrl+S to save the script. Give it a name like TAT Calculator. To test it, reload the Google Sheet, and you should see a new menu called Logistics Tools. Now, let's add a function that prompts for start and end dates, and then creates a new sheet with only the matching records. Reload your sheet. You'll now see a new menu, Logistics Tools. Click Calculate TAT, first to fill in the TAT column. Then click Generate TAT Report. Enter your desired start and end dates based on the data entered. Boom! A new sheet appears with only orders within that range, along with their average TAT at the bottom. You now have a dynamic, filterable TAT reporting tool right inside Google Sheets. Perfect for logistics teams that need quick insights. Hit like if this helped you, subscribe for more Google Sheets automation tutorials, and drop a comment if you want part 2, like excluding weekends or exporting as PDF.